Hi, I'm Minny, the newest member of the Minerva Networks family. Today, I'm interviewing Jerry Ornito, Minerva Networks Worldwide Director of Sales Engineering. Hi Jerry, how can Minerva Networks' powerful AI services have an impact on the churn rate for TV operators?
Interesting question, Minnie. One of the biggest reasons for subscriber churn is a lack of engagement. When users feel overwhelmed by the volume of content and cannot find anything to watch, they're more likely to cancel their subscription. And this is exactly where Minnie, our AI companion, has a huge impact. Minnie, in fact, transforms the viewing experience from passive to active by integrating seamlessly with a program, whether it's a cooking show, it's a live sporting event, or a documentary. Minnie offers curated interactive prompts. This turns any show into a jumping off point for a journey of discovery. For sports fans, for example, Minnie can provide real-time stats to then create personalized reels in the form of a smart highlights. For someone watching a historical program, Minnie can offer fascinating facts about the people and events on the screen. And by creating a more engaging, personalized, and sticky experience, Minnie keeps viewers invested and watching longer. And this direct engagement obviously is a very powerful tool for reducing churn and increasing the lifetime value of a subscriber.